Them things are bigger than me. What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. So now back in for another video for you guys. Right now people have Sparta, Rich and Bad official music video. Reaction by Reaction by the reaction boss. Wow, go on Jamaica, we're back in full again. You understand me? Yesterday, this video was supposed to be posted yesterday, but you all know a hotter video drop in my eyes, which is Governor Convo. So I did that one, you understand me? So I get that one here today. So I'm going to see what I'm going for this video right now. Rich and Bad Sparta official music video. Like up this video, people. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post, people. If you guys are not already subscribed to the channel, people, please do subscribe to the channel. Like, support the boy. You understand me? Support the boy. Subscribe to the channel. Come watch a video for at least 1 minute. Support the boy. So you're up on the video and subscribe. What a sense. Smack the subscribe button at the face. Like the video so the video get recommends to more people. And maybe them people that go on come watch some more video if you don't want to watch some more. Like the video. Subscribe. Just support the movement. We're trying to reach 40k before the end of this year. I know I'm gonna do it anyways. You understand me? So let's go. Tamale, run through. Oh no. Wait, how shall I get this Sam? I know I see there now. Now which badness this? Now which badness video this? Remember which badness video? I rich badness video that man. 1 year later though. Ooh, hi. Ooh, woo. Woo. She get a minute of that video. She have a tattoo on her butt cheeks right there, so she come with a BMW. I like it. I like it. I like it. Go on now, baby girl. Yeah, the girl I want to see still. Why shall I get in the back with the gun? But go on. And get that pussy fat though. Fat. P-H-A-T. Start looking at the camera now, miss. Video hot! Video hot! Go on! Them things are bigger than me. Them things are bigger than me, I'm not lying.
Hey boy, Tommy. I want my money, or I want my diamond them. I'm a matter of fact to me, I want my money, I want the blood clot diamond, or else a war. Wow.
Did he just say wow?
Solitary music.
Alright then.
Ready to go boss out the mid place full of spring shell. Anywhere you dwell, pull up on a yang yang. Pull long like a weave with the clipper extend. So go and play hero like a Ben 10. And see if me no murder you like a friend them.
Penetrate send coffee on your best friend.
Killer pull up on your foot anywhere me send them. Bloodstained white t-shirt like with.
Yes, family, yes. This one Buckley like see. And them video we love. Yes! And the voice I will love, and the vibe I will love. Go on!
I'm rich and bad, but I'm rich. And when it come to war, we not rich.
None at all.
The rogue a party not stick.
None at all.
The road we shell the party.
I'm rich and bad, but I'm rich. And when it come to war,
Be a girl in the bed. she a suck off, but me and the mechanic, they get them love me too. Me the pum pum boss sitting down like, why am I party with the right? So right on the fat pum pum right. Let's watch it. Like, my general man, when it comes to pum pum, go on.
Whoa. The push pull up on yard like a lawnmower. Everything I did, I'm a damn sure.
Yeah.
I'm rich, I'm bad, but I'm rich. And when it come to war, we not hitch.
Ooh.
And when rogue a pint in a stick.
Ooh, them girls are outside though.
I'm rich, I'm bad, but I'm rich. And when it come to war, we not hitch. And when we find the art on a stick.
Tommy look high as like he must smoke around 10,000 blunt before the video start. He da look high money at them. That's what Tommy had them look that, but go on.
Ready to go boss out the mid place full of spring shell. Anywhere you dwell, pull up on a yang gang. Rifle long like a
How
weed.
can a wild man shoot out the ends, dog? You can't even, they don't got the gun heavier than you, dog. They gonna handle you. And then you a handle the gun. Now what kind of wild man shoot out
They
that?
find the art on a stick.
Watch out now.
Ready to go boss out the mid place full of spring shell. Anywhere you dwell, pull up on a yang gang. Rifle long like a weave with the clipper extend. So go and play hero like a Ben 10. And save me no murder, you like a friend them.
Penetrate and coffin on your best friend.
Killer pull up on your foot anywhere me send them.
The females in that video look shy. The girl in the opening, the second female who seen in the video, with all the big long gun in her arm. I don't know, never see what kind of gun. She look straight in the camera, so. Yeah, man, if you hold the gun, there's something. If you hold the gun, the person, if you hold the gun, straight in the camera, she look. Right? Now, this one in the back of me, I look on the camera, man, so. I'm for do with the gun. Come on, man. You're not a woman, you know, man. Brave up.
Bloodstained white t-shirt like witch. I'm rich, I'm bad, but I'm rich.
Alright.
And when it come to war, we not hitch. And we rogue a pint in a stick. And when we roll the shell, the party.
Still nervous,
I'm rich, I'm bad, but I'm rich.
The cat was my friend.
The war, we not hitch. And when we find the art on a stick. And we rich and bad, but I'm rich. And when it come to war, we not hitch. And when we rogue a pint in a stick. And when we roll the shell, the party.
Shelly party.
And we rich and bad, but I'm rich. And when it come to war, we not hitch. And when we find the art on a stick.
Right then. What's up? Whoa, wow. You know the vibe. You know the vibe. It was a good look. I enjoyed that video. I ain't gonna lie. The Spartan fans, I'm happy. Me know I'm happy. If you're not happy, I want to see BFI emoji in the comment section. I want to make sure y'all are subscribing to the channel one time, people. Make sure that everybody watch that video and subscribe to the channel right now. And if you're not already subscribed, share to your friend, your family, everybody. We're trying to reach 40,000 subscribers to close the year out. Okay? We are 4,000 away currently speaking. Anything can happen overnight. You understand? So, peace out.